If you want a browser on your Mac with built-in RAM control, a CPU limiter, and a super clean design, then Opera GX might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install Opera GX on your Mac the right way. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you already have installed. Now in the search bar, type Opera GX and press Enter. Make sure you click on the official website, opera.com/gx. This is very important. Always download software from the official website to avoid fake or harmful files. Once the page loads, you'll see a big button that says Download Opera GX. Click on it. The file will now start downloading, and it will come as a zippy file. Wait for the download to finish. Now open your Downloads folder. You'll see the Opera GX zippy file there. Double-click the zippy file to extract it. After the extraction, you'll see a file called Opera GX Installer. Now double-click Opera GX Installer. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open. A new window will appear. Click on Accept and Install. The installation process will take just a few moments. Once it's finished, Opera GX should launch automatically. If it doesn't launch automatically, open Finder, go to your Applications folder, and open Opera GX from there. And that's it. Opera GX is now successfully installed on your Mac. You can now customize the theme, adjust performance limits for RAM and CPU usage, and explore all the built-in gaming features. And that's how you download and install Opera GX on Mac using the installer file. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and clear Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.